What's up, everybody? I hope you're doing fantastic. We're going to have a look at OMG Network today. It's been a while since we looked at this particular coin on the the channel, I suppose. And we're looking at $4.15 at the moment, up 6% on the day. And what I want to show you is just look retrospectively, look at this wonderful historical data that we've been given. And what's crazy is we've not even actually made an all-time high yet for OMG. It's easy to think that these were the all-time highs, but really they were not. And when we hit $20 this year, well, actually, we've had $28 in 2018 already. So we've still not made an all-time high. On the fib extension side of things, we came up to basically between our 0.618 and 0.786 fib. Really, the golden targets were around $36 to $45, but it never happened. Now, one thing that never changes with this coin is when it's in a bear market, it is extremely boring. But in a bull market, the volatility is absolutely crazy. We can see. Look at this. Look at the high highs. It's actually broadening. It's unbelievable. We're just seeing a high after a swing low, after a higher high, after a swing low, after an even higher high. Now, to speculate that we're going to see $24 after this accumulation phase would be pretty crazy. But to be honest, the data actually supports that every single time we do come down to these accumulation ranges, we're actually making a higher high. And to assume that could happen seems very, very dubious. It seems very, not pragmatic. It seems like I'm a moon boy. But at the end of the day, this is what the data is telling us, that we could actually still see a $20+. Oh my God. And why am I still bullish on it? Because this is Vitalik Buterin's, basically his wallet, his public wallet. We can see exactly what he's holding right here, guys. And why it's so interesting is, let's have a look. He holds 32,000 OMG network tokens, $133,000 worth in his own portfolio, and we can see that right here, fully transparent. We can see exactly what he is holding. So it's quite interesting, really. It looks like we've corrected, interestingly enough, around from our market cycle bottom, of course, just below the 0.786, like many other projects. So let's have a little look what's going on with this particular project right now, OMG token, as we basically skate along this critical support levels. We had a touchdown before 26th of June 2021, we saw a $2.89. Then 26th February 2022, we saw a $3.30, and then we saw another capitulation down to 29 on the April 29, down to $3.40. So it's safe to say that this particular range around, I suppose, here has always proved to be a nice area to reaccumulate. I suppose when you do zoom out again, though, looking at the previous correction, we came down a huge 98%. On this particular occasion, from market cycle top to bottom, it's been about 80%. So you could also assume, well, is the bottom actually over yet? It's very hard to say. Well, what we're seeing at the moment is a nice kind of symmetrical triangle. We've got the higher lows gradually getting higher lows, and we've recently on the weekly time frame had a bullish crossover on the MACD. Now, looking at the daily as well, we did come down to about 28 on the RSI. It's been a while since we did that. Last time we did that was around here, and also around here, where we saw nice bounces to the upside. So I'd like to think that hopefully we can come back up, because when we take this swing low, we came to the 0.786 fib extension, and on this particular occasion, on this swing high to swing low, if we come up to the 0.786, the trajectory should be that we basically get to $5.67 by around the 6th of June in a month's time, if we want to see slow continuation to the upside. And that would be the most pragmatic sort of path for OMG right now. So something like that. If we do hit that 0.786 Fibonacci again, of course, this could present a nice accumulation range for us. I think we can still see a $5.96 OMG, and once we retest and break out of this particular pattern, well, we're going to have a really nice technical target because of the depth of this particular range. And we're looking at around about a $9 OMG if we break to the upside. So now is a good time to potentially be loading up and take profits around $5 and also $5.66. And that's what I'm going to start doing, is actually setting up some small trades, buying a bit more OMG, and see what really happens, because we're getting a bounce off of the 20-day moving average. We are getting that rejection, but on the hourly time frame, we can see there's a lot of accumulation and consolidation around this particular zone here. I mean, check this out. Look at all the support we've written in here. Got lots of support, and there was a juicy bit of consolidation along the resistance as well. So this is a consolidation range. We did break to the upside. It does look very good on the hourly time frame. We're just getting a bit of rollover, nothing too crazy. If we do find a bottom here, it's going to be around the 0.382 $4.11 mark as we basically test the 20-day moving average on the hourly time frame. I would expect to maybe see some continuation to the upside. The last time we corrected on this impulse here, we came down to the 0.618, and then we saw another price explosion on this one here. You know, we're coming down to the 0.382. Maybe we're going to get some continuation to the upside. So what I think can happen over the days and weeks, well, if we look at our previous swing high over here, what happened is when we take the swing low, we came up to about 1.2. On this particular occasion, if we come up to the 1.2 again, we'll be looking at around $24 for the next bull market impulse wave, which could happen at date TBC. We honestly don't know when it happens, but what is reflecting right now is that this is potentially a key undervaluation range. Vitalik Buterin still holds, and the downside risk is minimized, whereas now the upside is maximized. So things do look really good for this particular project, to be honest with you. OMG trading at $4.25, $600 million only dollar market cap now. We're ranked 122, so it's been forgotten about. One of the OGs has truly been forgotten about, but I think when we start seeing a bull market again, this is when we'll see OMG wake up. So it's good to get into the project whilst nobody is really talking about it. Bit of news as well on the adoption side of thing. Opera browser enables direct access to BNB chain-based DApp ecosystem. So some nice bullish news over here. Total market cap, we're still in the green zone. This is excluding Bitcoin, but we have held our support quite nicely over here as we see along this support line. Hopefully we don't get this rejection at the 20-day moving average and actually fall back down lower, because right now $1.025 trillion market cap excluding Bitcoin does look very tasty indeed. Crypto bubbles, 39.4k Bitcoin, 2.9k Ethereum. So yeah, we're slightly up on the weekly market cap. Crypto fear and greed index sitting at 27. Lots of juicy fear in the markets. Guys, make sure you also head over to my Twitter channel. Lock in your entry because we've got 100 BUSD dollar giveaway at the moment. All you got to do is head over to my Twitter or simply subscribe to this YouTube channel and you'll automatically be enrolled as well. If you want to have double the entries, make sure you come say hello in my Discord channel as well. All very beginner friendly, no strings attached. You can find that in the comments and description section down below. If you want some unique benefits as well, become a patron. You're going to get more giveaway listings or entries, shall I say. Every month we're going to do a giveaway on this channel, and we can see this will give you 2 times, this will give you 4 times, this will give you 6 times, basically price of a coffee, guys. And you're going to get some exclusive benefits: free ebook, spot trading signals, leverage trading, dollar cost average strategy and charting, daily take profit and buy zones, and much more. So if you want to become a patron, please do head down below, grab some oh my god today using the link at the top. I know I'm plugging you a lot here, but it's all very useful links that will help you develop your cryptocurrency journey and basically grow your portfolio. Not financial advice, of course. I'm just some guy that makes YouTube videos. See you guys, take care.